Hey babe, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that I love. It's something super slept on, and that is the ability to run, to launch, to grow, to market a dropshipping business without ever having to show your face. We're going to get into some of the strategies behind it. And yes, I am still talking about social media too. You don't have to show your face to run it up on social media. So let's hurry up and get into it. But first, my name is Asia Apston, CEO of the Lux Life Academy, and I have helped over 2,000 students launch digital passive income businesses. So stick around to the end of this video because we're gonna talk social media marketing while dropshipping and like not having to show your face, not having to launch, not having to learn TikTok video, dance move, choreography. No shade, nothing wrong with any of that, but I just want to give you some alternatives from someone who's doing it. All right, let's get into it. So first up, just to clear the air, you do not have to have your face attached to your business when you are in e-commerce, like period. You can build a personal brand, of course, where products depend on you, like think Fenty Beauty, right? So Rihanna is the face of that company, and it makes the money it makes because, not solely because, but a lot of the money that is coming into that company is based on the star that is Rihanna. But there are so many alternatives. Think of companies like Sephora or Home Depot or Forever 21, right? We do not know who owns those companies, nor do we care. What we do care about is the product that we want when they said it was going to get to us. In e-commerce and in dropshipping specifically, the product and the customer are the star of the show. The business does not have to run based on our faces showing up. So really tap into this if you're introverted, or maybe you've got a conflict of interest where you've got your own other business and then this business and you don't want the two to meet, or you just don't want to be on social media or don't want to rely on social media. Sorry, I get excited when I talk about this because for some reason people think like they've got to learn TikTok dances to run a business, especially using social media, and it is just not true. So some of my favorite strategies to do this, faceless social media content. Let's just get to it. First up, product shoots. So product shoots are where you physically take your product and do video or still photography based on it. You do not require your face for product shots. These could be flat lays. This could be videos of the product with just hands showing how to use the product or store it or clean it or style it, whatever the case may be. And you can do this DIY with your iPhone, or you can graduate and hire like a production studio that does this professionally. But either way, you don't need your face for it. And that's perfect content for social media, especially when you get into like short form video. Next up, you can do photo shoots. Photo shoots with paid models. That's why they're there. That means that you are not in front of the camera. If you've got a budget, or maybe you've got some friends that are interested in modeling or some family members, but you could just hire pro models to model your brand. And that does not mean clothing. That means anything, jewelry, accessories, home goods, whatever the case may be. You can always hire pro models to help you elevate your brand, to do your photo shoots so that you don't have to. And yes, that content can be used for social media. Even bartering with people who are interested and giving them product or giving them discounts, that works too. Another strategy I want you to think about when it comes to faceless marketing is brand ambassadors or spokesmodels, right? So one of my favorite is Flo from Progressive. I think about her all the time when I'm thinking about marketing strategies. I know Flo from Progressive. I think everybody knows her. And just what that brand, what Progressive has done is they've built this fictional person who is obsessed with talking about insurance. You can do the same thing with your brand. You can get a spokesmodel or a brand ambassador. Think of the Geico lizard, or think of Colonel Sanders. That's not the actual owner of the company, but that is a figure that we as consumers can attach ourselves to. And every time we see that figure, we automatically think of the brand. I always think about, who's that fine black man from, he does the Allstate commercials? Yes. So think of somebody like that, and that is an easy hire for your business, and that will create fire social media content for you without you ever having to show your face. Two other big ones: customer reviews and user-generated content. So you should be collecting reviews from your customers automatically, and you should be using those reviews on your social media. Instagram stories, any social media that has a stories feature, definitely put your reviews in there. Super important. If they've got like video testimonials, also fire. And this is content that does not require your face, as well as user-generated content. UGC is so important, especially in e-commerce, because people trust the opinions of other people. So this is good for your customers. This will help close sales for you. But not only that, if somebody is posting that they bought, you know, this flower pot from you and they're tagging you, it's because they want you to know. They want you to see that content. They want to feel a part of your brand. So shoot them a message back and say, is it cool if I repost this? 99.9% of the time, the answer is yes, because they're tagging you for a reason. They want you to see it, and people really know the name of the game, but feel free to cover your butt and double check that it's cool with them. But that's another social media strategy that we use as dropshippers when we don't want to show our faces. Another really big one that I don't see people utilize enough is FAQ. Your frequently asked questions is such a gold mine when it comes to making content for social media. No matter how like boring or mundane you may think it is, there's always a way to insert some personality in there. And not only that, your followers have questions, right? They want to know about your product. They want to know how it's made, or how it's used, or how to store it, or how to clean it, or whatever the case may be. Whatever those FAQs are, those should be pieces of content that you answer on social media. And that could be like a voiceover video. It could be a photo of the product, or a photo of, or video of the product with you doing a voiceover where you're just talking about it and answering the questions. That could be tweets. I mean, the possibilities are endless, but the key is that your face, again, does not have to be in it. And this is not about, faceless social media is not about hiding. It's just, everybody don't want to do social media like that. Everybody doesn't want to learn TikTok dances and show up. Like, what if you just are not in a good mood? Or what if you don't feel like showing up for content that day, or your hair is not done? I know if my hair is not done, I'm not filming a damn thing. So if you're like me, you should definitely take advantage of ways to promote your business on social media for free that don't require your face. All right, I hope that helped you today. So my question to you is, had you ever thought about launching a faceless brand? Or are you interested in being the face of your brand? And even if you are interested in being the face of your brand, do you see how these other strategies can really take some pressure off of you as a business owner? I mean, we have 10 million other things to do. Sometimes showing up on camera just ain't the move. So I'm curious to know, did I put you on? Did I help you? Which one of these are you going to use? Let me know in the comments, of course. And not only that, I've got a free dropshipping training going down. If you register at the link in my bio, you can attend if you want to learn more about being able to launch a business that does not require you to show up on social media and show your personality. Or it's cool to be introverted. It's okay. You can still run it up on social media, and I've got the keys to that. So I love you for watching this video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and let me know in the comments what else you want to know about dropshipping, e-commerce, social media strategies for us e-commerce babes. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you at the free training. Thank you so much. I'll catch you next week.
Here we go, at the top of the class on a roll, and it's time to run it up, yeah, you know. Maxed out, put the pedal to